This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Explorer trunk from the inside. First, locate the emergency release lever, which is typically a small, glow-in-the-dark handle found near the trunk latch. Pull this handle firmly towards you. This action will manually unlatch the trunk, allowing you to push it open. Always check for any items that might be blocking the trunk's path before opening it fully. It's crucial to understand that the internal trunk release is primarily an emergency safety feature. It's designed to prevent entrapment, especially for children. Therefore, it's vital to never allow children to play in or around the trunk of any vehicle. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its location and operation, so you're prepared in an actual emergency situation. If you're having trouble opening the trunk, first check for any cargo that might be physically blocking the latch or the release handle. Sometimes, items can shift and prevent proper operation. Also, inspect the emergency release cable for any visible damage or kinks that could be hindering its function. If issues persist, your Ford Explorer's owner's manual provides detailed, model-specific troubleshooting steps. To ensure the emergency release always works when needed, it's a good practice to test it periodically. Just a quick pull to confirm it unlatches smoothly. Keeping your trunk area clear of excessive clutter also helps prevent accidental blockages and ensures easy access to the release. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.